Facts, my bitch love.
Alright, what's good, boys? It's currently Sunday. It's 8 a.m. Very early. We are currently going to a car meet, Cars and Coffee. This is a little pre-meet we have going. All the homies are here. We're warming up the cars real quick, and then we're gonna head our way. Let's see who's here.
Don't turn your back up on me. Don't turn your back up on me. Don't turn your back up.
Alright, boys, made it to the meet. We got all the cars here. It's pretty popping right now, just waiting on some coffee. You my face. What am I supposed to say? Like, just made it to the meet, like. Alright, boys, made it to the car meet. We got all the cars here. Shout out to California Cars, Persian Car Reviews, Rafi, and Car Hunters. They hosted this meet today. It's pretty popping. We're gonna show you guys around.
Don't turn your back on me like this. Don't turn your back on me like this. Don't turn your back up. Don't turn your back on me like this. Don't turn your back on me. Don't turn your back on me. You ain't seen satellites. You ain't seen satellites. You ain't seen satellites.
Alright guys, so we just made it back from the meet. We're trying to figure out where we're trying to eat. Assad can't figure out where he wants to eat. Overall, 10 out of 10 meet. Whips are crazy. The drive there was crazy. I wasn't originally supposed to come, but I just pulled up. Yeah, so where you want to eat? Yeah, anyway, the next clip you'll figure out where we're gonna eat.
Alright, boys, we're gonna end the video here. We had a very fun, eventful day today. This video was more on the shorter side, but there wasn't much to film, unfortunately. Just had breakfast with the boys. Our cars are parked up over there. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We have a lot more videos coming soon, and we're just getting started. Yeah.